unboxing my Insta360 X4. I'm so excited! Insta360 looks heavy, but it's not. It's very small, just about the size of my palm. Insta360 comes with 2 lenses, but I ordered extra premium lenses, which are better than the regular ones. Insta360 comes with a small bag. It's very light and handy, perfect for travel. There's also microfiber cloth to clean the lenses. The power cord doesn't come with a cube, but it's okay, it's compatible with iPhone charger. The manuals have English translation. There's also warranty card. I ordered the lens cover for protection. I also purchased the invisible selfie stick. It comes in different sizes, but I like the smaller one for traveling. Wow, I'm so ready. See you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching.